So here I have a device here given to me. It's called a birth monitoring system, and it's used to detect if the horse is moving or active or what have you. Okay, it has a little sensor that goes on the horse. Anyways, so this is it's an older device. It has a power in it, and it's not working right now with the power. So it's a SNRP1 33802. The issue is the power. So this power adapter takes 12 volt 500 milliamp. So and it uses this kind of adapter here, like an audio jack. So we're going to connect the power to the auxiliary right here. So let's use my power supply here. And the light's turning on. So here's the inside. Has some relays. Also has a battery. And we'll be testing this out.
So I tested that SOT device that we saw there that looked broken, but it was actually okay. And after splicing, putting the new power supply, it did charge. And what you want to do is put it on the transformer input, and that will also charge the battery. So I charged it up, and it's not making a beeping sound. I charged the battery, so all that's working. And so this is the transformer power adapter that I displaced, and on the original wire it has the little white strip there. The white side is positive and the other side is negative, and so this will get your hopefully your birth alarm working when the birth happens. It disconnects and makes the alarm. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.